این سلکه روی کاری باید نیست؟
نه او سلکه نیست سرشی سلام علیکم همسین فکوی ما سازن خوبه تینجین خلیف سازی خوبه تینجی ما خدمت رسانی هم درنه چی با کار نکسته؟ ببرو این وای فای کیه دا وای فای کامل وای فای ببرو تلویزر وای فای چی داره؟ تلویزر چی میگن اگر نیچه داره و چی کنم میکنم سکپیر بادی نه کی داره کنم؟ زوخرو دا سینو دا تمام
سینو داره که گادو داره کاری
کدانه چی؟ سینو همین گفته است که ما را میبرد تو فیفا بازی کدانه چی؟ سینو
استرسام نمیکنن سر میکنن
ما را میبرد تو چی فکر داری؟ انشالله دارم بدرای ما خطی زورا فیفا بازی دارم پوکینه برد معلوم بشوه نسل که بدرای تماشا کنم آخرم ترا چی و فیفا بازی کدانه چی؟ سینو همین گفته است که ما را میبرد تو چی
بدرای گپ چی؟
استیکنه فیفا نه زوخرو سلام علیکم اینه زوخرو اونا سینو کرچی استریم داریم برادر افیر در یوتیوب فیفا بازی میکنیم سینو کامنتاتر بدون تماشا کنید سلکش هم میمونم رحمتی فلان سلام علیکم کرچی جوستی پوستی کنه فیفا نه زوخرو سلام علیکم اینه زوخرو اونا سینو
کرچی رفت من استرسام کدام سو میبرویم گرفتی جاسیکتا السلام علیکم تماشابینان محترم السلام علیکم تماشابینان محترم کراچی اکه میگم دختره چی و فوتبال بازیش چی یک خیلی ای بدیلی پر آمدگی گویا که مرا میبره اناوز ما فیفا بازی میکنیم قطعی زورا خیلی کنیم برید رفتیم تیاری آلبه که ما ایمت دیگه شده وان بوتن شده alternative так эрдэ рахати эрия гадиш мекунем кастом
ама кастом
ма готов чӣ команда мегирӣ
аргентина не чӣ интер майами
охи интер майами ман реал мадрид мегӯям тити питит мекунам ӯ систан игро кардам командаи сахт бигирӣ
охи ман
биём балечки месси ман ал насра мегирам биё
бача чиҳо силка намеброяд амад
чӣ ха намеброяд охи шумо силкаи пешинангира мондагин айоли бестен
силкаи наврои каякта
не бе удалит кунем удалит кардем охи ҳами силкаи не ҷазир кардам ҳамараку
чиша
не охи ин ҳастай Юсуф Зухро як ба як чемпионат бе силкаш якҷо мегиранд ира ина силкаш ина силкаш копировать ина медроем ставить впереди ина ина силкаш копировать ана кай ози ай сароитон мекунам агане биё дар ҷороитон бе охи шумо мумкин аст
мегирем охи
ай куҷо
ай ту рафтеса ина гирифтумш
эҳа ҷазирабодиёи дунё шабро вардем ку будро зуро медроя силка ман мумкин дига силкара копия кардам мондам охи комилтаи историси ма дромадӣ дромад на копировать
ман ҳамоши камондагӣ будам
эфир дар ютуб
через канал медрои ҳастай
не ухи ман мумкин силкаи хатора монда шума камкам беақлам ина якта
о чӣ байнаи эфир даем
чиро
ина нига кайон чие намеброда
Выжих куда будешь? Ну, бро.
Этот,
Шит? Задержка надоран хариб.
Не, вообще надо удафа чхариб, дисте ему задержка дошт.
Раф, короче. Айма раф, био. Коз ба ман чат нишон тиём, чат будром, чат. Раф, био. Мекунем, чат. Не чатай. Не чатай, куб, жиши чат мон. Немда чатай, кубе. Салом бинависам. Салом. Тамом. Анамҷа комментариё мебурая. Она кози. Чика. Ма бра. Амиҷа YouTube ма дро авлод медиа сообществошку бра. YouTube ма давлод медиа са. Тамом. Короче, салом алейкум бародарои азиз. Чи?
Салом алейкум.
Салом алейкум ҳамсинфакои мо. Короче, мо имрӯз ҳамроҳи Зухро тасмим гирифтем ки FIFA бозӣ кунем. Оз я бургаи фокуса дарун бимонам ба тамом. Короче, Зухро гуфт ки ман FIFA да сахтам. Хай ма уха сахт нестам, не ки ма бовар дорам ки Зухроро спокойно мебурам. Давай. Рафтем. Ибо мухлиси Месси будай.
Ба манам мухлиси Роналдо.
Бача, конечно. Роналдо the GOAT. Конечно. Ҳол бер старт маш нако best. Рафтем. Чор чандай? Роналдо, Тавио, Садио Мане, Гариб, Брозович. Вратарис надорам то ба қувват. Гариб да дошта кияй? Манера и пара бонем ҷои Гариб дар ҷои Гариб дар Талис карам дорем чӣ хелар?
Тамом тайёрам.
Ман тайёрам. Салом алейкум дӯстони азиз, бародарони муҳтарам.
Ready for battle, ready to bring their skills to the pitch. And to the many keen observers, there is no alternative but to be on it from the outset. No quarter asked, no quarter given.
Ay, paydım.
The action is live. Welcome everyone on a perfect night for football with the floodlights beaming down. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary box providing expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Al Nassr up against Inter Miami.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality. Some interesting matchups.
Real chance. And a goal! Not bad for starters. They take an early lead.
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Krivtsov. Now Busquets. They've given it away. Ronaldo.
ما گرفتم چخیل ما گرفتم
من короче نگفتم من یالا یوتیوب ما اصلا شد داد کردم
چخه اینا برات نو запись там тактичный advance legacy
я бы вроде как у Айсар вдруг кор кадистай
Айсар вдруг рафтем
Very alertly winning back possession.
Where is Messi?
Jordi Alba. A promising looking attack, but comes to nothing in the end.
Sadio Mane.
Oh, big chance. Oh no, couldn't beat the goalkeeper. Teammates available. Lionel Messi! No shortage of excitement. Level again. No wonder they're excited.
Neki vaziyete seriously.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Brozovic. This looks more than decent. Ronaldo!
Ronaldo!
To re-establish their advantage. Just look at the celebrations.
Well, this is worth watching again. Mane beats the challenge with such ease, and this is Ronaldo at his best. He's composed, he shows great technique, and he just smashes it beyond the keeper.
Sergio Busquets. Well, he's lost it. Could be threatening. Takes it on. An end-to-end game, and they weren't behind for long.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, but there's still plenty to do from here. He hits it so well, though. Lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. It's a great strike.
Alex Telles. Well, that's how to outwit your opponent. The cutback. Well, I must say, I wondered if that was going to be the hat-trick.
Well, it's surely coming, his hat-trick. He's looking so sharp here.
Pressure applied. Can they make something of it? Ronaldo. Chance to take the lead. Oh, not to be. Stopping a certain goal. Trying to open up the defence. And a goal to seal the hat-trick! A masterclass in finishing! Just can't stop him today!
Suvi.
Ne?
Hay Suvi Ronaldo griften geldi FIFA25.
Well, this replay shows just how good Ronaldo is when he runs with the ball. And Ronaldo finishes it with so much quality. Just look how much power he hits this with. It's a top-class goal.
And credit due, a good intervention. Telles, holding on to what they have is the priority, apparently. He's found a pocket of space. Ronaldo, offside the decision. Suarez. Robert Taylor. Might work out. And it comes! What a contest this is turning out to be!
Well, let's see this again. The vision to play this through ball is superb, and Suarez's movement and penalty box awareness makes this finish look easy. That's a nice goal.
Otavio. Here's Ronaldo. Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance. And they've given him too much space. Gives it a go. Oh, good technique in terms of how he struck it. Well, he was being pressed, but did his job. Pressure on the keeper. Pressing like that will help the cause. And players waiting in the centre. A smart stop here. Mane. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. Chance to put them in front. Well, just narrowly over the crossbar. Good hit, though. Julian Gressel. On to Messi. Suarez. And the challenge, crisp and clean. Opportunity it is. Big chance it is. It certainly was a bold attempt. Good to see him try his luck with the chip.
Well, it's a great attempt. Opts to lift it over the keeper, just gets a little bit too much on it.
Messi. Oh, the referee has given it. Penalty it is. This to put them in front. Well, there's no getting away from it. A very poorly taken penalty.
Well, that's missed by a long way. I'm not sure what he was thinking about there.
And danger averted. Well read. Messi must take the lead here. And they have. You've got to say, it has been coming. Well, how about this? 4-3. And the fourth official confirming that we'll have one additional minute. And so it is, the first half story has been written. Well, it was a magical first half performance from Cristiano Ronaldo. No doubt about that, Stuart.
Yeah, he's done okay in that first half. He's had a lot of the ball.
Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. High pressing and good high pressing. Ronaldo, and in with a real chance. Oh, superb save. Massive credit to the keeper.
Well, he's so hard to beat in these situations. It's brilliant goalkeeping.
Played in by Brozovic. And a relatively high degree of difficulty for the goalkeeper. In with a chance. From the keeper. Fantastic stop.
Well, I don't think they've been at it today, but maybe, just maybe, that great save will inspire them now.
Well, in possession now and looking to create something of their own. In the right place to cut out the pass. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. Chance goal cushion now, and the lead fully merited.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Anderson Talisca. Considerable momentum, courtesy of Ronaldo. But what can he produce from here? Ronaldo! In it goes! To alter the arithmetic and give them hope that they can turn this round.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And Ronaldo made the finish look so easy, as he so often does. It's a lovely goal.
Well, I must say, I'd have to go back quite a few years to remember the last time I covered a game with a scoreline of 5-4. Suarez. Robert Taylor. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Now, maybe room here for the counter-attack. Oh, big chance! Can he finish? Oh, what an incredible turn of events! From down and apparently out, it's all square again. Can you believe this?
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head: smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
Anderson Talisca. Well, possibilities in the centre. Shot attempted. Blocking it. Well, not making life difficult for the keeper at all. A wide attempt. Gressel. Now, what can Lionel Messi do from here? And nothing comes of this attack. Otavio. They could nudge in front. Ronaldo! Really good diving save.
Marcelo Brozovic.
Brozovic taking. Well, the keeper won't be complaining about that corner kick delivery. His ball all the way. And a textbook interception. Oh, fancy footwork. Can they forge ahead? Oh, a goal! Can you believe what we're watching? It truly is a comeback and a half.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And it's a great finish. He holds off the defender, keeps his composure and finds the back of the net. It's a marvellous goal.
No luck for Sadio Mane. Plenty of support here. Oh, now, will it be a red card? And in the refereeing trade, they call it dog zone, denial of a goal-scoring opportunity.
Well, the referee's got that right. He saved a possible goal there, but at a cost.
The bar can be the goalkeeper's best friend. And a time for cool heads. Well, maybe a good position from which to counter. The attack carried an initial threat, but fizzled out. Just 15 minutes remaining. The verdict is offside here. Anderson Talisca. Delightful pass. And with that, they thwarted the opportunity. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Well, time is against them. They have work to do. Oh, breezing past him. Messi! And there it is! The equaliser! Down to 10 men, but showing guts and determination. Neither side shy about shooting in this match. A long way from the perfect pass. And a goal at this stage could be decisive. Can he put them in front? Playing a man short doesn't seem to bother them. They hit the mark. Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Plenty of support here. Chasing this game, desperate for a leveller, but really sticking to their task defensively. 5 minutes left. Well, a good tackle.
X.
Bırak bakalım.
Well, it hasn't been a great performance, but the fans have been brilliant. Just listen to the noise.
Now, hold on, Stuart. They're in here. Ronaldo!
Oh!
A goal! Sheer excitement.
Sensational! Su!
And level again here. This has been quite the roller coaster ride. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Well, you can see how fiercely they're concentrating on finding a winner.
Aye.
Messi.
Not the pass he had in mind. That is that after 90 minutes. They are level and extra time is coming up.
Real Madrid zaten gol atmaz.
Neyse ama Manchester City. Ne şarkı lan söyle?
Tamam.
Sen
çıkmış ha. Ene Zalatoy mecz mekne. Kom jak było zabrać.
Ne ya?
Ne yapıyor?
Tabii klasik
Ne ya?
ekstra.
Další dám te bozira penalty ku? Kimi boli?
Ekstra time atadem ne?
Ne ya bu ku?
Ma
Penalty?
final zanak namekne.
Чего?
Ekstra time další bylo davon bozi mekne.
Hayır další bozira mı kuy? Nичего шит.
Další bozi mekne mal davon bozi. Zaten mis bu da.
Mesela biz bak penalty ku.
Ben zamin naknem.
Ha?
Zamin naknem.
Hey, já máš mordagi ku.
وارو تویی از همه نکردم نکن ما چرچاق میکنیم اونجا چه کاری سوزن خوبه
Sözün Xumentinjin. Çi?
Canlı mesela ku.
Man now insta olmadan. Chat gammadan.
هوا الکترون بگیرتون کاروانی شه
Eşek olaçım.
Ben önce ne? Ki de garip ablarım. Garip.
علیش که بچه های ابرور
Garip gücoşit.
همون دارم سویجی در باید که بچه ها بودم
Ema namı dolma
نه
adı.
شخص چرا بگی
Ne ya?
Ne bakça garip gücoşit garip.
آه.
Garip ne?
این های هفتاد پول نی پیزدیز کردگی های
Eya korona ku.
خیلی تموم کردگی های
Hiç konumek nem bakalım şu kadar.
Bir hafta.
نه آل ویم نم رو واردی بانم می الله
Ne ya?
Well, back underway here, and it's quite simple. Both teams must steel themselves for 30 extra minutes. And support available. Well, it could be on for him here. Tenacious tackling, excellent defending there. Huge block.
بینیمه ها بگو اکر چوب بو
And that is going to be a free kick.
Davaya.
Ah.
Davaya.
Bak ne klar.
Ha?
Balet çıkart direkten.
Taking care of business defensively here. Now counter-attacking possibilities. Oh, fancy footwork. Can they forge ahead? Might still be able to do a bit of damage. And a goal! This is why we adore this game. Late drama, and now they're in front.
Well, here it is again, and I don't think it's good enough from the goalkeeper. You have to say that. He spilled it right into the danger zone, and at this level, you're always going to be punished.
Ronaldo saxta Messi.
Ne ya trakip
Bence Ronaldo 7 gol zagen Messi ba fini gol za.
Well read to win possession back. Mane. A big decision here for the referee. Is she going to produce the card? And it is an early shower for him. Red card.
Well, the outcome was never in doubt. That was always going to be a sending off.
Aka Zухро buraya sık tabii ki. Mama fel planlaştım biraz baksın.
Haşkaş değil mi oğlum? Ha? Haşkaş değil mi ama? Haşkaş. Dıt krasın mı? Güzel.
And Ronaldo takes on the shot. Not the worst free kick in the world, but the goalkeeper equal to it. Well, it wasn't first-class distribution. Brozovic.
da pasladım diyor.
So a throw in here. Oh, in with a chance. Well, that was an opportunity to make the scoreboard look even better from their point of view.
Oh, big chance missed that. This game is still very much in the balance.
Lan hiç abartma düşünmüyorum.
Gressel.
Ne şov ne de penaltı ne şov ama.
And space to cross it. This could be the equaliser. But no, when your goalkeeper comes up with a save like that late in the game, you have cause to be thankful.
Well, that could be a key moment. They have to take those sort of chances. They won't get too many more, but let's credit the goalkeeper.
Messi.
That's it, half-time in extra time. The second... Well, on they go.
Ronaldo.
Second period of extra time is underway. This could level it. Really finds decent defending play to break it up. And it's offside. That was very close.
غريب شفيق ميسي ميسي رونالدو.
And will it be the leveller? Save but still a chance. Dangerous looking attack. It's there for him. My goodness, that save. Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. Messi with the corner. Well, he would love to have that header back.
Ronaldo.
Laporte. Ayman Yahya. Real chance. And it's got to be. Oh yes! It's got in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
بسای
بس.
تو ده 100 سال دیگه ما دی قدر زدن نمیتونیم. اتا زهرو играет, да, это زهرو играет.
ای خدای بزرگ می.
نه دیگه.
آوا
چه ده گل کم زد نه بهتر با هم بهترش 8 گل بزنه.
Давай, ready сделай.
I'm ready every day.
So making the substitution now.
Saylor,
Lionel Messi. Oh, foul play, says the referee. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Crossing possibilities. Lionel Messi has turned infield. Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper. In a decent position now. Can he open them up here? Well, after the foul, a chance to contemplate what is next, and perhaps a goal from this free kick. You might say the wall did its job. Now, who can he pick out? Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Fired over by Messi. And the goalkeeper really exuding confidence. Now, can the keeper deal with the pressure? Surely can't miss. Oh, there it is! A lifeline in this game. And what a finale could be in for here. And that will be all for this game anyway. And defeat.
Бардаро, ма рости гап шавдим. Просто падават кардам.
روش هست یا مکنه
100%. بیا کماندای آدمی میگیریم.
منچستر سیتی بگیریم
بگی لوبوی چرا بگی لوبوی چرا
دینا کی بود منچستر سیتی کا
دینا بود دینا نه پریروز
دینا بود
نه پریروز بود
بیا اینا
براس منچستر سیتی میگیری که جوی میگیری بگی اتلتیکو بیلبائو بگی میشه بیا سکند جامش خیلی خودش چی کماندای دو دگمون
نه
چی منچستر سیتی گفتی
انگلیس نگو
بگذار برا این انگلیس داشت انا که بس تکت سوس کنیم اینجا را تاکتیک بدرو یاسی کن تاکتیک بدرو ما تاکتیک ما سوس کنم این اینجا بدرو یدی تاکتیک بدرو بجیق بس تکت
بیست؟ من کدیستم اولی
تو میفهمی جوشا چور دوی فلات
I'm ready
وای برسا کجاش سوز نکرده دیم نه
کی؟
چور دوی فلات بالانس انا کی جوشا سوز کن یا تایگایی را بجیق نه را بجیق چه فدره کی دا زمینه مونده فده نسته خید که بس اگر منو ما والورده کو بچه والورده نسته در فیفا 25 الله با اردا گولر لوکاس واسکس بچه والورده همی جده به عقل بگو
بود نکردید کردم
بکردم tak Rodrigo Valverde Courtois تمام رفته بچه که جد رو مدیا برگان از باز بین اینجا میدره خوب سلام علیکم دوستان عزیز قرار داریم در ورزشگاه سانتیاگو برنابیو
We're here to enjoy a matchup that football fans are sure to relish. Which side will step up and deliver? It's all coming up next on EA TV.
Hello from one of the world's most iconic stadiums, the Santiago Bernabeu. I'm Guy Mowbray to bring you commentary along with the former England forward Sue Smith. And with the atmosphere building up nicely, what a match this promises to be. It's Real Madrid versus Manchester City.
Well, thanks, guys. Great to be here. I think it's going to be a really good game today. Both teams will be well.
Hadi ma bestar. Och.
من کورم
خواست با یا غلط چی میکنه یا غلط است
ای سبب
بدون نالش کن
تو سفید میگی
آه چرا ما دستادیونی خودمون با اون سویتی دیگه بگیریم از بی چور های ما چون چیشته بیا علیش کنیم از بی تکتیک بدرو ادیت بدرو ادیت بیا خای
تمام
آه.
ردی که خوی
I'm ready.
کدن ردی
سینا بیا که بازی قزیق شید.
Match day is upon us. Fans are pouring into the stadium.
A warm welcome from the Spanish capital. I'm Guy Mowbray, joined by former England striker Sue Smith on the commentary gantry, and everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. It's Real Madrid versus Manchester City.
Thanks, Guy. Well, I can't wait for this one. Both sets of fans are certainly up for it. I'm sure that that'll give the players a real boost. They'll be hoping to start the game at a fast tempo.
This is the Real Madrid starting lineup. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Carvajal plays with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Jude Bellingham plays with Rodrigo in the wide positions. And they've decided for this one to play with two in attack. Could be a chance. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. Over it comes. And cleared well away from goal. Good work to recover possession. De Bruyne. That's a free kick. And you couldn't choose many better spots for one. Unable to clear the wall. And that took a deflection. Corner now. And the goalkeeper has taken that easily. It wasn't the best ball in. Bellingham. Nicely played through. This has to be. Surely. And it's an early lead. A terrific start.
Here it is again, and just look at how quickly they break forward. Cause all sorts of problems, but it's poor defending. They're just chasing shadows, and then to leave the keeper in a 2v1 situation, he had absolutely no chance.
De Bruyne. Nice and easy this, just staying patient. Disappointing end to a good spell on the ball. Nicely played. Well, I'm sure he thought he'd scored there. Great goalkeeping. Vinicius Junior. He's in here. And there's another one. Valuable breathing space for them now.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they go from defence to attack. And then 2v1, the keeper has no chance. But they still have to stay focused and finish it off, which they did with ease.
Rodri. Now with Foden. Oh, that's been won really smartly. Mbappe. This has to be. Another goal. And surely there's no way they can throw this away now. Absolutely dominant.
Well, let's look at the replay again. The interplay between the two of them is so impressive to create the opportunity. And as soon as he's through 1v1 with the keeper, it's never in doubt that Vinicius Junior would score. He makes great contact, just fires it in.
Bernardo Silva. Real Madrid regaining possession. Jude Bellingham. And the forward progress continues with a good ball. Could be dangerous. And stopped in their tracks. Well watched. Haaland. Oh, great work. What's next? De Bruyne. They've lost it there, and the attack is over. Found nicely and in. One-on-one. You've really got to hit the target.
I think he could have placed that guy really close, but just couldn't find a finish.
Mendy. Kylian Mbappe. Now, this has to be. And they've scored again. It's become a question of just how many they'll get.
Well, here we can see it again, and what a brilliant ball from Mbappe. And the run and the finish by Vinicius Junior is so good. He manages to get a lot of power on it, and the keeper couldn't do much about that.
Erling Haaland. Having a try. And it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. So the break not far away. Your thoughts, Sue, on this strong Real Madrid performance so far?
Yeah, it's been a great first half, Guy. They've controlled large parts of the game, and they look like they're going to score every time they go forward. If it stays like...
Oh, they could score here, Sue. It gets better and better. An absolutely rampant display. There's no stopping them in this kind of mood.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They were so quick to get out from the back, but you do have to ask questions of the defending, I think. The keeper's left in a 2-on-1 situation, there's no support, and it makes for a relatively easy finish.
Bellingham. Vinicius Junior just needs the composure now. It's in! And of course it's in! It's a masterclass in finishing to complete his hat-trick.
Well, here's the replay, and just look at the way he glides past the defender. Makes it look so easy. And it's a good goal too. Places it past the keeper. He keeps his cool, and it's a clinical finish.
Diaz.
Sino!
Read the pass well and cuts it out. Now to go a long way with this. Valverde. Kylian Mbappe. Rodrigo. That looks decent, making progress here. And they've scored! A goal to get the stadium jumping.
Well, if we look at this again, what a ball this is. The weight of pass is just right to set up the opportunity.
The ball is rolling for the second half of a pretty one-sided game. Bernardo Silva. He's beaten his marker here. And that's not a bad save at all. Rodrigo. Ball back with City now. Oh, what a really good save that was. Here it comes, and the keeper able to hold on to it at the second attempt.
Well, you can sense the relief. It's a fantastic initial save, though.
And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Rodrigo. Vinicius Junior. The work pays off as they get the ball back. Oh, yes, all the practice pays off. Well, it was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. Good vision. It's a goal. That's something. We say you never know sometimes, but I think we do.
Ya gol mara. Ma jo sisina juna barda jo sisan da ma. Gufti süper ki dribble mezanı.
And a goal that's likely all too little to affect the result, but there is still fight left in them.
Vinicius
And back
Junior.
with Courtois. Now Chouameni. Vinicius Junior. Oh, that's been won really smartly. Rodon. Real opportunity. Oh, seeking his second goal, but the keeper stops it.
He's certainly been bright, getting himself into good positions on a regular basis, but this time the keeper's equal to him.
And it's opened up. Chance now for a quick transition. This has to be. The crowd encouraging him to take it on. One more to the total, and there's no sign of them stopping there.
Well, here's the replay, and it's so impressive how quickly they go from back to front, and then through on goal, he decides to go for power, absolutely smashes it past the keeper, and you have to say it was a good finish.
Phil Foden. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. Jude Bellingham. Now Chouameni. Pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Good ball in behind. They might get another go here. And that is offside.
Well, I'm not sure why he's not on the move inside the box. He just gets caught standing still. It's really poor, that.
Foden. Foden. Oh, a great chance. And good work from the keeper to get across and deal with the danger. What a kick played in. There's nothing doing with that delivery. And it's all been sorted out by the goalkeeper. Now there could be a chance to counter. Fantastic looking ball. And that is superb goalkeeping.
That is such a crucial save. He shows really quick reactions. It's a really good stop.
It's played in now. It's only halfway clear. Well, nothing doing for them in the end. Foden. Oh, that's how to win the ball. Neither side doing a good job of holding onto the ball. Great chance here. It might still happen. Cut back nicely. Crucial defending. Fell on Mendy. Now Bellingham. Bellingham. City have possession again.
length here. And that's where it ends. And this could be. And the ball is playing. Secure goalkeeping there. And that could now come back very quickly. That was seen all the way, and the save is made. The ball comes in. Well, that's a really terrific claim under a fair bit of pressure. Vinicius Junior. On to Valverde. Valverde. So that will do it for today, and it's...
Bossari Baland.
Ey, давай будем, а?
چی فکر داری آیدی اندازی؟ تو سختی اونه که حرف سی خالش
نه просто میدونیم برای چی باید دوم نجا باید که داری کمان داری کمان داری
یه اینا مسی بیا باز من وقت فوتبال کم میکنم مسی تا بگی لوبو کام کمان لوبو خیلی است منو میخدا زیاده نمیشته ده این دروزه رحمت کلام رحمت کلام خانه سینا تو خیلی شاید بودی که من در پروست خودم چی کردم خودم باید دادم
نبگو سینا نبگو
ماترا حرمت کردم یکم استریمون بود ماترا حرمت کردم استوپات کردم گفتم نه بگی گل بزا گل
من ده گفتم سینا برای چی باید دادم برای که این کمان من نیست یکمش
منچستر سیتی هر دش قرار ریال یک کمان دارن
کمان من نیست بیشتم دی مشکل مسی نیست
فرقش جو مسی قد یا بازی کردن نمیتونه بخدا
من بازی میکنم بچه
ای ها همین چیکاری که نکنی که مسی نشید
آخه با من فناتی رونالدو
باز مسی در پختکار ازبکستان باز داره برقچی ایسار ده سینا رونالدو در آرناس
خواهی فرقشی دو با مسی
نه چی ده 15 است نیاز لیلی دو بار ما
یا بازی 8 نو
خیلی گرم است که یا باری برید یا باری دو بازی ما بریدم
اقلا 8-4 میشه
اسپن نکردم موقع گندی گل میدادم
آدمو برای که خیلی کارا چی کن آدمو چی
زاتو اقلا 8 دیدم میشید
آدمو چی کارا را اسپن نکردن دیونه چی تو
ای من دیل مونده سینا
این ای بیا پاگا ما خط کنتر دستستی کیس دا اینا قصد سینا یک با یک من موبایل نکنو یکم چی میمونم نه لوبا چی یکم چیز سریاز میمونم
نکی فقط کارتوی دست دو میراش تمام من دیگه شنو میدونم
ای به غرض در دست اینفرنو دیگه هم کارتا دا
میراش
نه فقط اینفرنو دیدار
من اینفرنو نمیدونم همینه در دست میتونیم
ده تا در دست باز میکنیم
یکی چیه شاید 3 کارت در دست بزنیم
نه میراش نمیدونی
دست اینفرنو میراش
نمیدونم من اینفرنو رو خویی
اینفرنو چی تو نمیدونی اینفرنو یک کارت همو در واقع سنگه
نه نمیدونم
خب باردارو رحمت کلام سلامت باشین جنبس میشه رحمت چند کس یک اپش اگه 500 کس درو ماگه با فکرمو
زنده هم سلامت باشه همیشه ویدیومون رو بدروین هم خیلی دستگیری کنید لایک و شتاب بزنید در تلگرام کانال ما بازی می‌بینید